In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with WhatsApp. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected to your GoHighLevel account so you can send automated messages and manage conversations seamlessly. Make sure you have access to your GoHighLevel account, a WhatsApp business number through a supported provider, and the ability to receive a verification code on that number. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your account. Once you land on your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage all of your account level configurations, including messaging channels. Inside Settings, open the Integration section. You'll see a list of available connections. Look for WhatsApp or any supported WhatsApp providers offered in your region. The exact label may vary depending on your plan and what's enabled on your account. Choose the WhatsApp integration method that fits your setup, typically the WhatsApp Business API through an approved provider. Selecting the right option here ensures your messages are compliant and reliably delivered. Click Connect to start the linking process. You'll be prompted to log into your WhatsApp Business Provider account. Use your provider credentials and confirm any permissions requested, so GoHighLevel can send and receive messages on your behalf. Next, verify your phone number. Enter the WhatsApp business number you want to use, then complete the verification using the code sent to that number. If SMS doesn't arrive, check for a voice call option and make sure the line isn't actively in use. Once connected, configure your messaging settings inside GoHighLevel. Set your default inbox or pipeline, choose routing preferences for new conversations, and confirm any opt-in or compliance settings required for your region. This helps keep your messages organized and policy compliant. Assign the WhatsApp number to the correct location or sub-account so the right team and automations can use it. This step prevents messages from appearing in the wrong place. Now create your automation. Go to Automations, then Workflows, and build a workflow that includes a WhatsApp message action. Add a trigger that fits your use case, then open the action and write your WhatsApp message. Keep it clear, helpful, and aligned with any template or compliance rules your provider requires. Personalize it with fields like a contact's first name to improve engagement. Publish the workflow to activate it. Finally, run a quick test by sending a message to confirm everything is working. Check that the message sends, delivers, and that any replies appear in your conversations inbox. Thanks for watching.